Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Now, make we check this one out again. Abuja schools shut down as truckloads of bandits arrive in border town. Now, this one they tell us say truckloads of bandits arrives in border town. Okay, and the news they tell us say that over 400 bandits went and drop in border town close to Abuja, a town when them with Abuja they share border together. That is in Abuja. Okay, some few weeks back they kidnapped more than 10 people. The bandit can't ask for 10 million naira, then pay the ransom. Another one again before that, they kidnapped 7 people. They asked for 5 million naira, they pay the ransom. APC people, One Nigeria people, 2023 people. We don't tell on say now it don't set. It don't read for everybody in Nigeria. The bandit of a thing don't get out of hand. So the army, the police, the DSS, the vigilante them, whether they claim say they get everywhere in Nigeria, they know if they catch any of them again. In fact, army na bandit, AK na bandit, vigilante na bandit, all of them na bandit, and all they happen in the north and Abuja. Remember when this group of people now enter the capital city where on a acclaimed president day, now to his flag in Aso Rock, now be the target, and hasting flag, meaning they don't conquer Abuja, take over Abuja. Ona say Buhari Day, and they carry on soldiers when una claims una get go to stop people in the southeastern part of Nigeria, but where the soldiers supposed fight, then go turn blind eye like say nothing they happen there. Now where nothing at all they happen when be the southeastern part of Nigeria, now here they carry them, they go disturb the peace when that region. This bandit of a thing, Gumi don't tell on what to do. He say na him be the aga pata pata, and he know how and when and how much they go collect from the government. Remember say recently not come out again who say in the tech government say make them pay this money, make them pay this money. That one now only money. Now you know. Upon all the whole thing when the man don't do, they waka up and down everywhere. Even see they enter that Aso Rock. Now people when they for Aso Rock, all of them are Miati Ala people. Even Gumi na Miati Ala man. All these prominent northern people, all of them are Miati Ala people, and now them be the problem of this insecurity in Nigeria. Even somebody like Garba, the former presidential candidate when come from the north, that same guy when always they come and they condemn IPOB people. Your mouth no go ever do anything to IPOB. Your mouth no go ever do anything to Nnamdi Kanu. You are just wasting your time. The man don't come out today. They claim say in surprise say na Buhari when not fit fighting security. In surprise say na Buhari people go dey drag like that, making come and come fight this insecurity situation when don't get out of hand. Instead of them to they talk about how they want to solve the problem, now for them to they attack Nnamdi Kanu, for them to they attack IPOB, now for them to they attack Enina Baribe, now for them to they attack Mbaka. All these people I don't mention their names, all from the southeastern part of Nigeria. But those people, when they cause havoc, when they cause mayhem in the north, they already call their names. Remember, see recently, news exposed this guy, what they call Pantani, as one of the biggest sponsors of the bandit people. Again, the 400 men, when they say they don't arrest, when then they do borrow the change, when they sponsor Boko Haram and all these terrorists in the north, up to today, because say they come from the northern part of Nigeria, they never fit publish any of their names. They never show us one day say, now this person or now that person. Once a while, when they tell us, say, oh, they won't carry these people, they won't go prosecute them, they won't do this, they won't do that, they won't do this, they won't do that to these people. All. Now are you? All. Now because of 2023, to make Nigerian people think, say, he get one thing whether they do, or say they engage or that they fight insecurity. We don't ask Kona, when be FG people, APC people, these northern fraudulent men and women, when we they call the Fulani people, we don't tell them, see, make una publish the names of those 400 people. Or una leave Biafran people alone, leave Oduduwa people alone, leave Nnamdi alone, leave Mbaka alone. I don't know if you publish any name, but una they come out, they tell us every day, say una don't arrest 400. These people don't see Nigerian people. They listen to their garbage, whether they write to give them, or their garbage, whether they go in channel television, they pour, they give 200 million Nigerian people. But I want to let una know, say, as far as this platform is concerned, and as far as Biafran people are concerned, they're not they listen to anything when they talk. Because we don't already know all of them as liars. Now be APC people. Una won't be the Fulani people. Una claims that una be the leaders in that country when be Nigeria. How una go come out? Tell us, say, una catch group of men and women when they sponsor Boko Haram, say there be 400 people when una don't already catch. Up to today, una not publish one name, and una won't make we come believe waiting una the 10 Nigerian people. 400 una not tell us any of their names at all. But recently, una carry go kill an innocent Ikonsu, the late commander of ESN in Imo State branch. Una go kill a man. Una not tell us the crime when the man commits. Una go murder him in cold blood. But una come out here, they tell us una catch 400 people without publishing any name to Nigerian people. Without telling Nigerian people how the things they work out. The other one, what they call Evans the kidnapper, we know how much una parade this guy. We know how much una do this guy, una reduce this guy to 0 level. In social media. But the 400 northern men, when I tell us una don't arrest them, till today, una not show anybody. I say shame and all of them. We not they believe anything when they come out from this people mouth. That is why bandit, they will continue to wreak havoc in that country. Una when believe in 2023, we don't tell una in this particular platform. That 2023, una get problem. All of una get problem. As far as one Nigeria is concerned, bandit will not stop terrorizing you. Boko Haram will never stop terrorizing you. The terrorists, they don't go stop terrorizing all of una when they are Nigeria, including the ones when they Lagos, Abuja, Imo State, Abia State, everywhere in Nigeria, as far as we continue to chant that one Nigeria. Una say people no go sleep now. Una when no go sleep. Una when they call one Nigeria. The only thing when go solve the whole problem in that country now to give Biafran people their Biafra, and they give Oduduwa people their Oduduwa, and then the other state when one break out, give them what they want, then peace go reign in that country. But with all these things when they happen, forget. A problem everybody there. So ladies and gentlemen, make we take a look, make we see how these people they tell us say they don't shut some schools in Abuja because of some terrorists, what they call bandit people, terrorist people. When they come with a full trailer load, when they pass 400, then they very close to Abuja. That is a step to Aso Rock. I wonder where somebody like Femi Adesina go hide. I wonder where somebody like Gabashew go hide if these bandit people knock the door of the Aso Rock. I wonder where that on Buhari, the deaf and dumb Buhari, go hide. And I wonder where somebody like this woman, what they call Loretta Onoche, and her cronies, then go hide. I wonder where Osemanjo go hide. Today, Osemanjo don't come out again. Won't come lie to Nigerian people again as usual. Like the way when Obasanjo don't come talking on now about the issue of Oduduwa and Biafra. Say now oppression when Biafran people, and the Oduduwa won't oppress people when they agitate. Somebody went to oppress us, kill a lot of people. I mean Obasanjo, kill a lot of people in Nigeria there, including Ken Seruiwa. Now they talk about oppression because you know say the thing don't fall out of their hand. The thing don't come out from their hand. So it don't know waiting in the yan anymore. Obasanjo today is no more relevant in that country. Anything where in the yan are for in pockets. Biafra must to come. No matter what Obasanjo go talk, no matter where he go talk, what he go talk. Now then bring this Buhari when they don't destroy Nigeria. Obasanjo are the first person when start destroying Nigeria. Then Osebanjo don't talking on again. Oh, no good, oh, this and that. Good, make everybody be one. Nobody want to be one with terrorist people. With the terrorist people, because anybody when they support terrorists is also a terrorist. Anybody when they sponsor terrorists is also a terrorist. Osebanjo, according to Ona, say in him be VP. All of their hand they inside the system. Because if you hand not the inside, if you don't come and come debunk them, if you don't come and come condemn all the sins when they happen, as far as say they don't condemn them, all of them they inside this gig. So make we see how they tell us say these people then they Abuja area. Make it not be like say we they make up things here. All these things they come from Niger, when be Nigeria. The zoo. Abuja schools shut down as truckload of bandits arrives in border town. Despite assurance by the police authorities that Abuja is safe, already here, private schools in Wari Area Council of the Federal Capital Territory yesterday hurriedly shut down their activities over the fears of possible attack by kidnappers. Then they tell you kidnappers, all these people now terrorists, pure terrorist people. Don't let anybody to deceive you. If you get your picking one day that school, just make on just the height. Then they tell you now say na Federal Capital Territory. See now one area when they close to the Federal Capital Territory. All of them are the same area. Leadership learned that some schools hurriedly sent their students home when news got to them. Over 400 unidentified men suspected to be bandits were dropped by a truck in Sabon Wuse area of Niger State, a border town with Wari, Abuja. Some private schools closed their schools with instructions to students to remain at home till further notice. Some parents who do not want their identities revealed told our correspondent that the schools gave the instructions was on various groups WhatsApp platforms of the school. In the last 2 weeks, over 10 persons have been kidnapped in Wari Area Council with a ransom of about 10 million naira paid to secure their release. Now, remember, I said some of them, after paying this money, then they kill them, then they release them. The money don't go, the person don't go. That. Okay. Last week, about 7 persons were kidnapped in Sabon, Fulani area of the council, and about 5 million naira ransom was said to have been paid. According to residents, the fear was heightened following the report that over 400 unknown persons were dropped from a truck in Sabon Wuse area. A parent who spoke to leadership said, "We were asked to come for our children in their school before the time they were supposed to close for the day." From their school group WhatsApp platform. I don't know if they will be going to school tomorrow because we are still waiting for further directives from their school group WhatsApp platform. The parent who does not want to be identified revealed. The Joint Security Team of the FCT wishes to refute the mischievous publication targeted at creating palpable tension amongst the well-spirited residents of the FCT. Every time when something like this arises, every time when something like this come up, these so-called security personnel in Nigeria, now the same way where they take the right things, just exactly the same things. The same thing that they tell everybody. To make you feel say nothing they happen. My brothers and sisters, something they happen. All these kind of things, when would they see, where would they read, where would they hear, where would they perceive, no they carry happen. If you know they happen. You know they carry the surface if you know they happen. So these people, when be the security forces in Nigeria, them with the APC people, now your problem. Now them be the problem in that. Instead of them to swing into action, like the way when they swing into action in the east, there is nothing they are fighting in the east. So instead of them to swing into action, they go tell you, oh, don't worry, people are lying, they want to mislead you, they want to misdirect you, they want to make sure they deceive you, to cause a problem in Nigeria and this and that in your area. Please, don't mind these people. They are all liars. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I don't hear, they say they're close to Abuja again when the thing they happen. Even the newsmen, they tell us now, say some ladies, when their children, they inside the school, and then they confirm. And they go there, they disturb people when they for the east. They go there, they lie to the people in Channel television. Things when they're supposed to do, they no go do it. Now things when they're not supposed to, they go they talk. Things when nobody send them, now they go they talk. These people, they are failed leaders. Good for nothing, APC and PDP people. So ladies and gentlemen, now here we go drop. I see if you not get anything when you want to tell us, we're gonna come down to our comment section. Come share the things with us. Alright? And don't forget to subscribe. Bye everybody. I'll see you guys next time.